It is another story that's getting a lot of talk time right now. The end of DACA is on the horizon. Protests are playing out across the country, including a rally outside Trump Tower. Attorney General Jeff Sessions made it official today.
If we are to further our goal of strengthening the constitutional order and the rule of law in America, the Department of Justice cannot defend this overreach.
The president's plan includes new applications for legal status. Some dreamers will be eligible, but for others, the protection will be stripped.
And some people here in the tri-state are calling on one local lawmaker to support deportation protection. Not
on your sides, Brianna Harper joins us live from downtown where a rally began just minutes ago. Brianna.
Yeah, all eyes are on Senator Rob Portman right outside his downtown Cincinnati office. Just within the last hour, this crowd continues to grow. People are out with signs. Several people passing by have honked their horn in support. Many people wanting to have their voices heard in favor of immigration, even though DACA is no longer in effect. The Trump administration announced the end to DACA, but for the 800,000 undocumented immigrants currently protected by the program, this is just the start of a new fight.
Just tells us that we have to fight more and we have to fight harder.
22-year-old Jose Cabrera is like many now left fighting to stay in the United States. He moved here from Mexico when he was only 4 years old, and now he has hopes to continue his education at Xavier University and continue his dream of becoming an entrepreneur.
Isn't that what America is about? A country where if you work hard enough, you put the effort, then you can get the job you want, you can achieve what you want.
But it's now up to Congress to decide if the American dream will actually be a possibility for thousands of immigrants who came to the U.S. illegally as children, but would like to stay, gain legal status, and eventually citizenship.
So at this point, instead of doing what I think is the inhumane thing and as declaring it over today, the president is giving Congress a chance to fix it.
Over the next 6 months, Congress will consider several proposed bills like the DREAM Act that could allow undocumented immigrants to legally remain. But ultimately, Attorney General Jeff Sessions says the most important priority is to reform current immigration policy in order to maintain law and order.
We are people of compassion and we are people of law. But there is nothing compassionate about the failure to enforce immigration laws. Enforcing the law saves lives.
As for Cabrera, he says the DACA decision means much more than just law and policy, but a matter of life and death for many immigrants.
They didn't come here with the intention of let's get DACA. They came here in intention of a better life and trying to run away from the troublesome life that they had in their native country.